could spell, that'd be great.
You'll get better so you're gonna be back on.
Take those bayonets off.
You have a bayonet on, it shouldn't be on at all.
Sorry for stealing your thunder, Voltra.
You're good.
Alright, boys. Let's make a move before they do. Hop the fence, let's go.
Up and over the fence.
Up and over.
Move it.
East,
Southeast, hold fire.
Oh, yeah.
Make ready.
Yep, they're right.
I see him. Alright, boys, take aim.
Take
aim.
Take aim.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Independent fire, boys. Independent fire. Reload independent fire.
Now.
Well, I think it's safe to say we routed them. That one.
I think we obliterated them.
That whole line disappeared.
Jeez, we're still.
Guys, I can talk and sick all day and I just.
It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, congrats on your promotion, bud.
Take it easy.
Yeah,
Congrats,
thanks,
guys.
Congrats, Yarn. Have a good night, buddy.
Get better, dude.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
On your channel.
Hey, Tripper.
One down, too.
Up the fire.
Pushing up to the rocks as well. You shoot the on that rock to the southeast?
How many's over there with you, Tripper, enemy-wise?
There's
maybe
probably
about
6 or 7 down. 6, 7.
Alright, just one, because you're starting to trickle over to the left.
Yeah.
But hopefully you need to.
Got it.
got 2 on the rocks.
I went down and my game crashed. Whoever Irish
Come on,
Alpha took over.
Go ahead, Sash.
Where are these? All the rocks.
Even Eisman, whoever's out there.
Fellas.
I hear Eisman. Okay, I hear
It's
Eisman.
reload.
There's
Hold
something in the middle of the field at north.
hold your fire.
Southeast, behind that rock.
This one left face. We'll move down a little bit left.
Hold your fire.
Please.
I probably can't get it, boys.
The splinter forces is going left next right now.
Ah, you're right. You're right. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna grab 2. Not really. Hold on. Hold your shot.
Shots, bayonets.
Alright, fuck. Fire him. Scratch that. We'll take care of this right, and then we'll worry about the left. Alright, finish the rest of those boys off right. Got him. And I'm down. Once you clear those boys off on the right, you gotta push it back left.
Major force moving left to right in the main field.
We are now engaged.
Wow, it's turning into a tight battle all of a sudden.
I've only
Where are we?
fucking whole thing.
Right side, right side. As soon as you're coming out of respawn down the road to the right.
Just spawn me as an officer.
Guys, get together here. Push
Get
in.
on Sash.
Right dress.
We
got a few of them in the zigzag.
See that?
recorded, man. That'll be going on.
Oh yeah, it's sending flying.
I need a gif of that.
Yeah, got about 5 of them in the
Fucking ball in the
zigzags right where it
face.
almost meets our side of the fence here.
Nice shot. Is that? I think that's all of them. Let's go back left.
So, we do have Yanks on the right, I think, over there on that fence. So, hop to the left here. Get over here left with me. And we'll work our way down it.
Good shots, good shots.
Yes, we do. Alright, get up in this fence. Get up in this fence.
That was awesome, my
Alright, boys, start shooting down right. Shooting down right.
Got a handful of them on the oblique left of our position. First of the rocks. Easy shooting.
Yeah, easy tickets too. If you're on the left side, go ahead and shoot at them. If you're on the center to right side of the line, you're facing south, shooting down the fence.
They're charging the
Here we go, they're charging, boys. Save your shots for them to get close. Nice shot.
On there,
Oh.
right.
Nice, guys. Alright, push right, push right. Is that all of them? That's it? Sad. There's a few more now. There's a few more down right. Let's push them.
Rocks not clear on the left yet, boys.
Push him on.
Get your shots in if you got them. Get your shots in. Get your shots in.
think there might be 2 left.
We get a line in position.
We're far left. Excuse me, far right, far right.
Heard that, thank you.
Stay in on the fence, stay tight. Damn, are you kidding me? I'm down. Shit. Reacted. Shoot, open fire, boys. Kill him. Bayonets on, boys, bayonets.
Fix bayonets.
They're going for center. Alright, hold your shots. Oh, kill these. Whoa! Holy shit!
Damn.
Did you see the, did anybody else see that? Wow.
Yeah,
That was intense. It went off right by my head, and that guy just got double flipped. That was cool. Who shot that? Oh, they're pushing right in front of us. Hold on, east. Open up on them. Open up on them. We all got shots. Let's go.
George is charging on the left.
Nice shot. Push him. Push him behind the tree left.
One behind you, one on your right.
Keep pushing. Right to the fence. Push him off. You're dead. Push him. Got another one. Keep pushing. Thank you, brother. Alright, form up on the fence, get your reloads into independent fire. Okay, they're trying to shift it right. You know what? Once reloaded, we're gonna right face. We're gonna shift right a little bit, and we're there. That rock there will give them no cover. All right, right face right now. Let's go. Shifting right. Down here. Down on this line.
Come on, guys.
Let's go now. And now they're wide open. That rock serves them no cover. Lay it into them. Boom. There we go. Good game.